6:15 on this Tuesday morning. Fox 17 News is in a code red weather alert as we are watching for the possibility of storms that could roll in a little bit later today. Our Fox 17 code red meteorologist Greg Bobus is taking a look at the timeline here.
Yeah, Greg, I know you were mentioning potential for some bus stop weather this afternoon.
This afternoon, yeah. This morning, there are a few little sprinkles that are out there north of.
Is your mic on?
Might be a bit better.
We're checking on Greg's microphone. In the meantime, as you're watching, you've got to see a lot of behind-the-scenes work this morning here at Fox 17.
Yeah, if you ever see these little green, this is what we're changing out the batteries.
If you've been with us here over the last little bit, you've seen behind the scenes with traffic and now behind the scenes with weather here.
All right, we are back and we're powered up. Yes, it is going to be not this morning's bus stop. Back to that point. A couple little light sprinkles are out there. If you see a few raindrops this morning, don't worry about that. It'll be the afternoon when a few storms north of I-40 could work in for us here. Here's the big setup. Two possible rounds. Round one, not heavily concerned about, but it's a possibility. Really low end possibility of a strong storm or two, 9 a.m. through around 2 o'clock north of I-40 that could give us a little wind and a little bit of hail. Now, 2 p.m. through 9 o'clock, a little more concern. Still a very low-end threat, but when we add in the possibility of a spin-up tornado, obviously it's a game changer there when it comes to taking it a little more seriously. And I guarantee you there will be storms north of I-40 during this time frame. This time frame we're watching, again, maybe a storm or two does pop up. Taking a look at what our threats look like, wind and hail are going to be very low, but tornadoes are still not at zero. Again, the spin-up variety, what's a spin-up? That means that it's very short-lived, hard to really predict ahead of time until the radar gets that quick little spin-up. So we have to watch for them here as we go toward the afternoon and toward the evening. Right now, not a whole lot happening. Again, if you get a little light rain here this morning or the windshield has, the once-over, don't worry about that. It really will be what happens later on today. Taking a look here. This is going through 7 o'clock and taking us through 10, 11, 12, and 1. Not a whole lot showing up on radar. However, there you go, late afternoon through the evening. Reds, oranges, yellows, these small little cells that develop here through 6 o'clock and take us into the first half of the overnight. That's our best chance for severe weather. And if you live south of I-40, the more south you live, the more likely you are to stay completely dry and enjoy some 70-degree weather when it's not raining. It'll be really warm the rest of this week in the 70s.